Here goes. The beef is so velvety and soft from that velveting treatment at the start. It's magnificent. And that sauce is such a beautiful tomato sauce. No mistaking this is a tomato and beef dish. You just have to have those red onions in there. They're fantastic. Red onions with beef are just a great combination. Red onions with tomato, such a great combination. So why not have beef and tomato with red onion? Do let me know if you try this recipe yourself and give it a go. I highly recommend it. It is just so good. Thank you so much for being here, and hopefully I'll see you in the next cooking or gardening video. Bye for now.